Alright, and then hold up. Meet me in the office. Alright. Just to make sure y'all know, I got the whole Parrot fit.
Let's see the parrot.
I even copped the Parrot dress that I didn't have. Got the Parrot compass. Got the Parrot bucket. Got the Parrot lantern.
Oh, yeah?
Got the Parrot shovel. The Parrot telescope. Got the Parrot projectile thing. Got the Parrot banjo. I got the Parrot motherfucking other compass. I got this Parrot thing. I got the Parrot drone.
Oh, yeah?
The Parrot grog. The Parrot thing.
Hell yeah?
I just need the Parrot Fisher thing, though. They won't let me buy it.